In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a Notion dashboard in 2 minutes. Open your web browser and in the search bar type Dashboard Templates Notion. Then press Enter. The goal here is to find ready-made dashboard layouts so you do not need to build one from scratch. In the search results, look for Notion's template gallery and open the Personal Dashboard section. Once the page loads, you should see a collection of dashboard templates you can browse through. Now choose a template you like. In this example, we're using the Developer Dashboard template. Templates are useful because they already include sections, links, and layouts that help you get started quickly. Click on the template to open its preview page. On that page, click View Template. This opens the full template so you can review it before adding it to your workspace. Next, click Start with this template. If you are not already signed in, Notion may ask you to log in first. Make sure you sign into the correct workspace, especially if you have both personal and team accounts. After that, Notion will open the template inside your account. Now click Add to Private. This adds a copy of the dashboard to your private pages so you can edit it freely without changing the original template. Once the template is added, you should see the new dashboard appear in your Notion workspace. Click on Developer Dashboard to open it. At this point, your dashboard is ready to use, and now you can customize it. For example, you might see sections like quick links, task boards, notes, or trackers. These sections are there to help you organize important parts of your work in one place. Click on quick links if you want to explore one of the shortcut sections. Then click something like Money Board or any linked page inside the dashboard. This shows you that the dashboard is made up of connected pages and sections, which you can edit based on your own needs. If you want to personalize it, click the page title and change the name. For example, you can rename a section or page to match your workflow. After you type the new name, you should see the updated title appear immediately. A common beginner mistake here is clicking around without realizing you are editing the template copy directly. That is okay, but make changes carefully so you do not remove sections you still want to use. If you do make a mistake, you can usually undo it with Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. You can continue customizing the dashboard by changing page names, replacing links, removing sections you do not need, and keeping only the tools that matter to you. The reason this works so well is that a dashboard helps you keep multiple areas of your work in one central place. That's it. You have successfully completed the process. Your setup should now be working correctly. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.